The smartphone brand Tecno has just introduced its latest series of smartphones, called Camon 16. It includes 3 phones: Tecno Camon 16 Premier, which is already available for sale in Kenya, alongside the Tecno Camon 16 Pro and the Tecno Camon 16, which are expected later this month. All of the phones have 4 cameras on the back and 2 on the front, with the Premier sporting a Helio G90 tons chassis and a 4500 mAh battery. The front panel of the Camon 16 Premier has a tall 6.9 Full HD Plus screen with 90 Hz refresh rate and a pill-shaped punch hole for the dual selfie cameras, 48MP main plus 8MP ultrawide. It is an LCD, meaning the fingerprint scanner made its way on the side, under the power key. On the back, the Premier has a 64MP Sony IMX686 sensor as a main camera, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide angle snapper, and two 2MP units to assist night photos and portraits. The battery of Tecno Camon 16 Premier is 4500 mAh with 33W fast charging. If all these specs look familiar, that's why it is practically the Infinix 08 with a different design on the back. Both Tecno and Infinix are subsidiaries of Transsion Holdings, a Shenzhen-based smartphone manufacturer that focuses on sales at developing markets in Africa and Southeast Asia. Tecno is currently selling the Camon 16 Premier with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage for KES $28,999, about $275. And throws free TWS HIPods in the retail package.